Good evening, darlings. This evening I'm going to be cooking a coconut Thai chicken curry with rice and a side dish of a spinach salad. Cheers. Hello, darlings. My name is Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. First of all, I'm going to marinate. I've diced up 4 chicken breasts, 4 quite large chicken breasts from the butcher's, and I'm going to make a marinade to put on the chicken and leave it for a couple of hours. So first of all, this is coconut milk, or you can have the blocks of coconut and put it in hot water to melt it down, but coconut milk. Coriander. Then on here I've got ginger, garlic, the zest of a couple of limes, and one green and 1 red chili. So you put all that in together. Then the 2 limes the zest, rather than waste them, I'm going to put some of the juice of those limes in as well. There you go. And then you just zhuzh that up in the blender. And then just pour the sauce, marinate over the chicken. Make sure the chicken's covered. And then stick the chicken in the marinade in the fridge for a couple of hours. Okay, so I'm going to do a raw spinach salad to go with the Thai dish. So just a bag of spinach, and then I'm going to do a tahini dressing. So pour in some tahini, and then I'm going to add some Sicilian lemon. Actually, if I pour it over my hand like that, the pips will stay in my hand and the juice falls through my fingers. Let's make sure you don't have a paper cut, it's quite stingy. These Sicilian lemons are lovely, I get them from Waitrose, really, really lovely. Quite juicy. And then add a little bit of water. And just mix that up. Not too long, if you see it's thickening enough already. So I'll add a little bit more water to that. That's a little bit too thick. So you want it sort of not as... You sort of want it like a dressing, so you don't want it too thick. A bit mayonnaise-y stuff, like it is now. It's coming together now. There you go. And I'll put a little bit of, just a little touch of pepper in there. Put a little bit of pepper over the spinach. Then pour that over. There you go. I'll put it just a little bit more. And there you go. There's your spinach tahini dressing salad. So I'm going to make now just a base for the curry. All I'm going to do is fry off some shallots. These are banana shallots. And some shiitake mushrooms. Let's fry those off in a little oil. So once the onions and the shiitake mushrooms have cooked down a little bit, then add your chicken and marinade to the pan. Cook that through then. What I'm going to have with this is, I just make my life a bit easier, I'm just going to have the ready in 2 minutes whole grain rice, and just let that sort of simmer away there until it's cooked through. Okay, so just going to plate up the curry now. Some of the spinach leaves on. Some rice. in some of my coconut chicken curry. So you have it. This is my coconut Thai chicken curry with a spinach salad and rice.